Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Physics problems with spring scales can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly by looking at the forces acting on the hanging masses. In the first experiment, the hanging block is at rest, meaning the tension in the string must equal the weight of the mass. This tension is what the scale actually reads. For the second experiment, we have two identical masses pulling on opposite sides. Each mass creates the same tension in the string as before because the system remains in static equilibrium. A spring scale measures the tension pulling on it. Since the tension is still mg, the reading remains exactly the same. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Check steps to trust the physics laws for option C.